nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Maybe you shit on me. It's human nature. You wouldn't make me say the words I love to say. Didn't want to say that through my eyes. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. You tried to shove it back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know you could talk about sex. You must have been crazy. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know you could take my mind. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch, your pain, your shell of me. It's human nature. You punish me for telling you my fantasy. I'm breaking all the rules I didn't. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Took my words and made a trap for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break. Did I say something true? Oh, I didn't know you could talk about sex. Did I have a point of view? Oh, I didn't know you could talk about you. What was I thinking? Express yourself, don't repress yourself. 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 Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know I could talk about sex. You must have been crazy. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know you could take my mind. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. Don't have to justify it. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. Now let's get something straight. This is my stage. Don't throw shit on it. Do you understand? Fuck yeah!
Fuck yeah!
Now, I'm gonna take my pants off, and when I do, you may throw one thing and one thing only, and that is cash. Got it? I said you got it? No. I said, do you got it? Then where is it? No, I'm not going on until someone throws money on my stage. I've worked really hard tonight. Just sit here. Here, Tony, hide my pants. What do you do when a girl takes her clothes off? You throw money at her, right? What are you waiting for? We're just gonna wait. Queens need money too.